Hi guys, welcome back to another tutorial video. So in the following video I will guide you to unpin your post on Instagram. Now if you want to unpin your photo or post on Instagram but you don't know how to do it, then this is the video for you. So simply watch the video till the very end to know about it. So let's get started. The first thing and the first basic thing which you need to do is that make sure that you have installed the Instagram app on a device. So if you have not installed the app, you may install it from App Store or Play Store on a device. So after that you just need to open the Instagram app, and this is the home page of Instagram where you will see various options on the bottom taskbar as well as the stories and the post kept by other peoples at the very upper taskbar. Now to unpin the post, you just need to click on the option of profile icon at the very bottom right, and here you will see the number of posts which you have pinned on your profile. So this is the post which I have currently pinned on my profile. So if I want to unpin it, I just need to click on the option of three dots at the very top right, and here you will see the option of share to Facebook, archive, hide like count, hide share count, turn off commenting, and you'll see the option of edit, adjust preview, and unpin from main grid. So click on the option of unpin from main grid, and after a few minutes or 50 seconds the profile will be unpinned from my profile grid and it will go back to the place where it was previously used. So that's it. That's how you can unpin the post from your Instagram account. Thank you for watching the video. Please don't forget to like the video and subscribe to our channel. Thank you.